real issue came when our water was taken away and we were put in a position of thinking, this isn't good. What can we do personally to have a system that works? Hi, my name is David Welch. I'm a Rio Verde resident for about 6 or 7 years. We moved out here. We were aware of the water issues. Um, they thought they had a plan and a deal with Scottsdale, which would have continued our water. That plan, basically, for political reasons, was stopped. We don't want to be put in that position again, and this system would be hopefully take care of all our water needs, or we can supplement it with hauled water.
I'm Evan Duteau. I'm here with Galaxy Gardens. We're up here at David's property in Rio Verde, Arizona. We're doing a fairly large rainwater collection system that's going to be used to bring water to a potable standard that he can use inside his household and hopefully replace having to have a truck come up here and fill his tanks on a month-to-month basis. Behind me, I have a 30,000-gallon tank that is being used for water storage, and in the ground next to it is a 5,000-gallon tank. They have been plumbed together, and both of them are receiving water off of the roof surface as well as the tennis court in the backyard. Now, the roof surface has about 6,500 square feet of catchment, and the tennis court is about 7,500 square feet of catchment. So all in all, we're looking at being able to fill these 35,000 gallons of water capacity in our tanks with only 5 inches of rain. Looking at this project from a bird's eye view, when we start at the east end of the house, there is a catchment surface on the roof that drains out through the scuppers into a gutter system that wraps around the outside of the house. This gutter system drops into a downspout which carries the water off of the roof of the house into the gutters, down the downspout, underground, and it pushes that water onto the tennis court. Now, the tennis court has a slight grade to the south side, so all the water moves across the tennis court as well as the water falling directly onto the tennis court. The edges of the tennis court have been lined at the very bottom. At the bottom of the tennis court is a 300-gallon auxiliary tank with a sump pump located inside. As this tank begins to fill, the pump is activated, which pushes the water through an inline filtration unit and several hundred feet across the property through a 3-inch line that fills our 30,000-gallon tank.
Our water prices are 10 times higher than, a city resident. So the future water probably won't get cheaper. And I think there's just a lot that can be done with collecting rainwater that's not being done.